Newcastle are number 13th in place. They are there because of a poor performance this season. Because out of the last 5 matches wameplay, lose 4 na wakawin 1. Wamepigwa na Aston Villa, wakapigwa na Man City, wakapigwa na Everton, wakapigwa na nani ule mwingine? City Crystal Palace. So ile team yenye wali win against is only Tottenham. Because Tottenham have had a more poor season than them. So judging by the numbers, I don't see Newcastle being more of a threat to us. Yes, we've been lucky so far kwa hizi the last 2 games zenye tumecheza, but tumetoka kupiga Everton kwao. Alafu Everton ameenda kwa Newcastle akampiga bao 3. I don't think Newcastle ni watu watatutishia ili tuseme na City they don't have their key players. Gordon is playing, Walter Mead is playing, Elanga is playing, Sandro Tonali, the player that we want, is also playing. These are players who are not fighting for anything this season. Labda tuseme Champions League, but in Premier League they are not fighting for anything. They are not fighting for top 4, and they are definitely not in the relegation battle. So hii game haitakuwa ngumu sana. Of course inajua the last 2 games hatujacheza vizuri, tumekuwa off, mpira wetu umekuwa slow, but maze, we need to put results. So saa hizi maili imefika, we need to win all our games to secure top 4, to secure Champions League, or even to enter the title race. We need to show everyone that we are serious to getting in the Premier League title race. So how do we do that? By winning games that we should be winning. Hizi game ndogo we need to put them to bed. Of course itakuwa game ngumu, but the least we can do, the least we can score is 2 goals. 2-1, 2-0, game ishe hivyo. I expect a victory even if we don't play well. Yes. We need that individual moment of brilliance. Somebody like Sesko, I don't think Newcastle's defense is that locked. So somebody like Sesko can have a chance. Somebody like Mbeumo can have a chance.